Pelatih Persija Jakarta, Thomas Doll berharap teknologi asisten wasit video atau VAR segera diterapkan pada Liga 1 Indonesia. Menurut juru taktik asal Jerman itu, VAR bisa sangat membantu wasit dalam menjalankan tugasnya di lapangan. Hal tersebut dipertegas oleh Doll menyusul banyaknya keputusan yang diambil oleh wasit dan menimbulkan kontroversi. Dia pun menceritakan pada beberapa pertandingan yang telah dilakoni banyak situasi yang tidak menguntungkan bagi Persija. Thomas Doll pun mengungkapkan momentum seperti pemain lawan melakukan diving di menit terakhir pun acap terjadi saat pertandingan. Jika menggunakan VAR, Thomas Doll memastikan bahwa tugas dari wasit akan lebih ringan karena mendapat bantuan dari pihak ketiga atau yang menjadi operator VAR.
What do you think better, a VAR or a better referee of the game?
I don't know. I don't understand.
VAR,
Video.
The VAR.
yeah, the VAR or better
make a better
referee.
quality referee in league.
I think for every referee it's much more easier to have a VAR because we have a lot of situations here in the league where is offside, is not offside, handball, not handball. So some situations are not really clear, and I think sometimes the referees, they need help from outside, because maybe when you are on the side, also when you are half a meter not in the right line, you cannot see really is offside or not, because you are not with the last defender or you are not with the striker. I think a VAR, that's why everywhere they play with VAR, and they take also time. I mean, why not here? Everywhere they have a VAR, because we lose a lot of minutes when players are laying down the last 10 minutes, 15 players from the opponent, when they are 1-0 or 2-1 in front. Everybody is laying down every 10 seconds. And they put them also down from the pitch. You think they have to go to the hospital, and 10 seconds later they come back to play football. I mean, this is a Muppet show. This, you cannot show this to nobody, because you know, when somebody bring you away, you stay outside. But 5 seconds later he's coming inside, and the minutes are going away. So it's not a problem. When you have a VAR and you are waiting, maybe it's better that the VAR let us wait than the player on the pitch. He has nothing, but we have to wait that the game continue. And so I think the best is for Indonesian football when you have a VAR, really good guys. They can check this also, and they have the slow motion, and then they can give a small advice. Yeah, it's a goal, it's not a goal, it's offside, not offside, hand or not, and then everything is more clear. At the moment it's not so easy for the teams, for the referees also. But believe me, in every country of the world, the referees, they make mistakes, the player make mistakes, and the coaches sometimes also.
Oke, jadi sebenarnya untuk pengadaan VAR pasti lebih dibutuhkan ya, karena kan kita banyak situasi seperti handball, offside, jadi situasinya nggak jelas sampai sekarang. Karena menurut Kosomas banyak perlu bantuan dari luar para wasit, karena kalau misalkan Pak wasit hakim garis nggak sejajar dengan striker atau defender, itu kan kesulitan buat putusan, makanya VAR perlu diadain di sini. Dan Kosomas juga bilang kita kebanyakan menit terbuang karena banyak pemain yang kalau misalnya sudah unggul sedikit
gimmick
menjatuhkan diri untuk diangkat keluar lapangan. Sebenarnya lebih baik, Kosomas bilang lebih menunggu keputusan VAR daripada nungguin orang di tanduk keluar, karena kan kalau di VAR itu bisa ada slow motion, jadi bisa bantu dan bisa lebih jelas untuk keputusan wasit. Jadi tapi Kosomas bilang semua pasti punya kesalahan dari pemain, wasit, nah pelatih pun juga pernah bikin.
Jangan lupa subscribe ya.